Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video 30-day SSC CGL study challenge. I started my day with 600-meter morning run. Running in the fresh morning air helped me to stay active and focused throughout the day. It improved my stamina and keep my mind fresh for long study session. Today is my restart day and I am beginning again with full energy and determination. Yesterday's start was a not fulfill complete, so today I decide to restart and continue the same target without giving up. Now let's see how day my went. I could not complete all the tasks yesterday. I keep the same target for today. English grammar, subject verb agreement, and reasoning for practice. Then evening maths and quality revision. Begin with English grammar. Focus on the subject verb agreement chapter. I carefully revised the rules, solved practice question and made short notes for quick revision. After spending a good amount of time on grammar, I successfully completed this section. Completing one important target gave me confidence and motivation to continue studying. After finishing English grammar, I took a short break. Taking small break important because it helped refresh the mind and improving study. A short rest prepared me for next study session. After the break, I continue with my remaining subject and tried my best move closer to my daily goals. Every day might not be perfect, but consistency is matter. And friends, if you are also preparing for SSC CGL or any competitive exam, keep working hard and never give up. Rather Radhe all friends. Today's very cloud weather and this weather perfect for me for running. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be like, share and subscribe for more study challenge video. See you the next day.